The Corporate Affairs Ministry is likely to order a probe into Sharda Group companies amid growing controversy over the Kolkata-based entity allegedly duping thousands of investors. Corporate Affairs Minister Sachin Pilot, along with senior ministry officials, would today hold a meeting to look into the functioning of various chit funds, including issues related to Sharda Group companies. Sources said the review meeting today would discuss the activities of Sharda Group companies and other issues. In the past, the ministry had received complaints of alleged Ponzi schemes at 73 companies of about a dozen different groups operating in West Bengal.
মানি লন্ডারিং এর যত মনিটারি বিজনেস আছে এগুলো সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টের আন্ডারে পড়ে। টোটালটাই আমাদের হাতে কোনো আইন নেই, রাজ্য সরকারের হাতে, যে আইন দিয়ে আমরা এগুলোকে কন্ট্রোল করতে পারি বা অ্যাকশন নিতে পারি। সেই জন্যই রাজ্যের আইন বাড়ানোর প্রয়োজন এবং আমরা কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের কাছে আজ নয়, ধরা পড়েছে বা কেস আমাদের নজরে এসছে তো 17-18 এপ্রিল বা 12-16 এপ্রিলে, এপ্রিল সেকেন্ড উইকে, কিন্তু আমরা চিঠি পাঠিয়েছি 8ই ফেব্রুয়ারি গভর্নরকে। সুতরাং গভর্নমেন্ট, আমরা তখনই বুঝতে পারছিলাম যে এরকম কিছু একটা হতেও পারে, কারণ কি যে হয়ে আছে কেউ তো জানে না। তো যাই হোক, এই পরিস্থিতির মধ্যে দিয়ে আমাদের পুলিশ ইতিমধ্যেই গ্রেফতারও করেছে।
And Shantanu now joins us on the phone line for more on this. Shantanu, finally the centre also stepping in after SEBI's various warnings. Now the Corporate Affairs Ministry is likely to look into this entire scam.
Absolutely. The Corporate Affairs Minister, Mr. Pilot, is himself expected to hold a high-level meeting today to look into the possible probe which can be done to this Ponzi scheme, or the cheat gate as we are calling it on Times Now. Not only that, apart from that, we also know that the SFIO will be roped in. According to the SFIO estimates in West Bengal itself, in the last 4 years, the Ponzi gone to the tune of 30,000 crore. Now that's a phenomenal amount of money we are talking about. Not only that, the tax department is also looking into the investigations of Sharda Group. Apart from that, we know that SEBI has written to the state of West Bengal warning them about growing Ponzi schemes. In fact, according to rules and regulations, the schemes are allowed to operate for a specific period of time. But the way the schemes are operating in the state of West Bengal, they have gone beyond the stipulated time. And most of the schemes, some of the schemes have gone bust and some on the verge of going bust. So SEBI has also sounded alarm bell. Apart from SEBI, there are multi-pronged investigations which is possible from the SFIO, from SEBI, from Income Tax Department. So all these investigations are expected to be on way shortly, and the high-level meeting is expected to take a decision today in the capital. Back to you.
Right, Shantanu, what are the specifics of the meeting that Sachin Pilot, the Corporate Affairs Minister, will be holding? What are the specifics of the meeting that is likely to be discussed in terms of what are they looking at in terms of taking action, and also whether they will be in future banning all these chit funds because of the scams that have come out in the open?
Obviously, there have been violations of rules and regulations which have been laid down by SEBI. Not only that, SEBI had sounded the alarm bell to the state West Bengal government. Obviously, the West Bengal government did not act during the time when the SEBI had warned them of this Ponzi scheme. So the Corporate Affairs Minister will look into this high-level meeting which will be held in the capital. Is expected to take stock of the situation, and also expected to look at the possibility of handing over this entire investigation to the Serious Fraud Investigation Office. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office in turn will coordinate with the other investigative agencies, namely the Income Tax Department as well as the Register of Companies in Calcutta, to get details of not only Sharda Group but other Ponzi schemes which are growing in the state of West Bengal. And the possibility of ban on some of these Ponzi schemes has not been ruled out yet, but so in the Corporate Affairs Ministry says a high-level meeting will today specifically look at the allegations that have been received by CBI, by the Income Tax Department and other investigative agencies, and also by the SFIO, and look at the possibility of what steps can be taken in the near future. Back to you.